Everybody that retires normally does what they love. So I'm not so sure Raleigh didn't retire the first day he got a job.
In that case, Raleigh Dick has been retired since the ripe old age of 10, when he sold vegetables door to door in the farming community of Sanborn, Iowa. He grew up to become an accountant and moved to Indianapolis to start a branch of Coopers & Lybrand. As luck would have it, in 1979, a little company called Conseco needed an audit. 7 years later, Stephen Hilbert asked Raleigh to be Conseco's CFO.
It was sort of like love at first sight from a business perspective. I've always said the success we had there, I really have to look at Raleigh and say he was one of, if not the key reason that success happened. He is the smartest individual I've ever known, the most dedicated, the hardest working, passionate about everything he does. He's just the most special person I've ever known.
While at Conseco, Raleigh developed an interest in growing local companies and a passion for sharing his years of experience. Today, he participates in several ventures, including the agricultural manufacturer Equipment Technologies. Through the years, he has been an angel investor with countless companies and a mentor to the region's up-and-coming leaders.
You know, he's an accountant and a CPA too. I am as well. So I think he just sort of helped me see the light, you know, kind of broaden your thinking a little bit beyond just accounting and financial reporting and that sort of thing. And that's part of the essence of who Raleigh is. I mean, he's an entrepreneur, he's a businessman, you know, he's about making money. He's someone that you can really model your behavior after. And I believe that that's really important in life, to have role models.
He's about giving away his experience, giving away his sense of authority and power, and watching people fly.
Raleigh Dick makes Indiana nonprofits his business too. He's a generous donor and volunteer who truly experiences the organizations that make our community a more enjoyable place to call home.
Raleigh's vision for the Center for the Performing Arts is that it would enhance the livability of the entire region. He and his wife Sherry have contributed over $1 million to the center. What's even more important is that their generosity has inspired many other people to contribute to the center. And that, to me, is true leadership. Raleigh loves this community and is doing the best that he can to make it as great as it can be.
He's an investor, and he sees this city as worth his investment all through the years. When he came to Indianapolis, he's helped build it, and I think that's what we are celebrating tonight, is Raleigh's legacy. And it is that for which this city is so fortunate, that we've had so many years of his investment, of his leadership, and there's nobody like him.